Hi there! Have you spent a lot of money on ads, but you're still not making profits from the ads? If you're wondering how to land more customers, encourage more people to purchase your product or services, or how to capture leads on Facebook, you are at the right place. Hi, I'm Ahan, certified digital marketer with 3 years of experience. I will run an efficient Facebook ads campaign for your business. I will handle and check your Facebook ads campaign every day and try to bring the best result at the lowest cost. My services include create and manage campaign, keyword research, writing eye-catching ads copy, pixel tracking setup, audience creation, and retargeting ads. And the type of Facebook ads campaign I can create: website traffic or click, promote page for likes, conversion ads, host engagement ads, video views ads, and app install ads. So what are you waiting for? Purchase the gig and enjoy our services now.